Today, Corning Community College hosted its second annual Mass Casualty Drill with the help of crisis actors and state evaluators. The next generation of nurses prepared for what would happen in case of a disaster that caused multiple injuries. Students were given different tasks, including gathering the victims and transporting them to the ER. They also helped injured actors and stand ins using what they've been taught in class.
What rhythm are we in?
You can be fed as long as you don't touch
Right?
your phone.
Can we shot this?
Yes.
I'm clear, you're clear. Are we clear?
As students battled high stress situations, they emphasized the importance of communication and controlling emotions.
It's different when you're put on the spot and asked questions, especially, even if it's just a patient that's acting. So, yeah, definitely anxiety.
While the drill did stress out some students, evaluators of the event rated the students' performance.
Overall, we felt the students did very well today. They handled the stress and the emotion of the situation very well.
Oh, I know I've been circling a little sharp. All of you, it's so impressive.
I like the unity they had. That's the main key to get stuff done in this field.
As summer events are set to creep around the corner, the next generation of nursing students are using this event to prepare for any possible disasters. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Corning.